Good afternoon. My name is Dippin. I'm here at Farm Plus, and this is your weekly video fix by Farm Plus on healthy living pharmacies. And today we'll be discussing the evidence portfolio, and this is for the week commencing the 10th of July 2017. So the purpose of this video, as usual, it's one of the Healthy Living Pharmacy Level 1 series. Healthy Living Pharmacies, for your quality payments, it's worth around about 1,280, possibly more. So it's worthwhile you getting on board with this. Get it started now. We won't really be able to help you if you leave it too late. Also, it's worth going through each video as it is released. This is to reduce the burden on yourself and also to ensure that you don't miss any critical deadlines. And also, Pro HLP members, which is the Pro Healthy Living Pharmacy members, will get a weekly phone call to discuss progress amongst some other things as well, which we'll be discussing a bit later on in the video. So this is our top matrix for Healthy Living Pharmacies, and today we'll be concentrating on the evidence portfolio and how to set it up. And the first thing you need to do in order to set it up is to download it. But first and foremost, the workbook is needed in order for you to be able to record what you've done in order to qualify as a Healthy Living Pharmacy. The link at the bottom basically is what you're going to need to retype into your own browser to get onto the web page on the PSNC to download the workbook. And once you download it, you can either keep it electronically, you can print off a copy and keep it in a folder, or what you could do is, if you're an HLP Pro member, then we've already printed this off for you and it's in your folder already. So when you actually click on that link at the bottom, you'll be taken to a page similar to this. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click on that link there. And once you click on that link, what will happen is it will open up another web page, and you will need to then scroll down like that, and until you hit this part of the web page, which is the HLP Level 1 Evidence Portfolio Workbook V2. The first one is a Word version, or if you want to, you can download it as a PDF. Once you've downloaded it, this is what it's going to look like. And it's effectively split into two separate parts. The first part is a checklist. Okay, and that is actually on pages 6 and pages 7, and there you go. It's actually entitled Checklist. And this is really a summary to make sure that you've completed everything before you submit your evidence. The rest of the booklet is basically designed in order for you to detail the evidence that you've collected in order to ensure that you've got what it takes in order to become a Healthy Living Pharmacy. And that starts off from page 8. And there you go, that's the evidence collection. And that is basically what you need to do. You can either download that and keep it electronically, or what you could do is you could download it and print it off and keep it into a folder and fill it in as you go along. We'll be using this quite extensively in future videos. Now, if you happen to be a Pro HLP member, we'll be giving a weekly phone call to discuss issues and progress, and that will be with your dedicated mentor. We will have already printed off this workbook for you and put it into your HLP folder. We will be phoning you in the near future to discuss some of the things that you want to consider for your plan, and also we'll be chasing you up to make sure you have completed things like your CPP accreditation and various other things as well. So, finally, non-members, you can contact us to find out a bit more about the benefits of membership, which can include extensive buying deals, professional support, and local and networking events. Also, if you wish to, you can contact us at info@farmplusltd.co.uk. Our telephone number is 0208 863 335, and you can also look at some of the things that we do on our webpage, www.farmplusltd.co.uk. So, good luck for this week. Hope you actually managed to download that and print it off or keep it electronically on your computer. Again, if there's any other queries, don't hesitate to give us a shout. Until next week, speak to you then. Take care now. Bye.